Are you tired of paying someone to change your Model 3 wiper blades? Here we go. Let's learn. Push the car icon. Okay. Go down to service. Go to wiper service mode. See that? Wipers popped up. Now we go out of the car. You'll see here. This is real easy to take these off. I'll show you. Okay. Take a little screwdriver right here, push down, pull it out. Easy. See how easy that was? All right. Let's do this one. Little screwdriver, push down, pull it out. Okay. You got a 26-inch blade on the driver's side and a 19-inch blade on the passenger side. Here we have the ANRDDO Premium All Season Wiper Blades. These are a 26 and a 19. I've used these, this will be my third time using these types of wipers on this Tesla Model 3 Performance. These will work for the Model 3 as well. These are from Amazon. You can click the link below and get them from my store. But I do recommend them. They do last a long time and they do a good job at cleaning. So let's do a little bit of a unboxing here. Just be careful. This car I had wrapped, so and be careful using it as a table, but fine. All right, now open it up. They have a natural blade shape or curved shape to them, so I actually kind of like the way they package them because they don't mess with that. They're not forcing the curve to be in a flat position. So I really like that about these. So they come sealed. This is sealed airtight, right? So you have here, you have to open the bag, slide it out. So, okay. You got to take off the little green cover on the blade. And you see these drop right back in. So let's put them back. All right, here we go. All you're gonna do is slide it out just like we slid it in. There you go. Give it a little tug, make sure it's good. Let's do the driver's side. Take the green blade off. You're gonna take it, kind of slide it in. Get it kind of, just get it started in there. Once you get it started in there, there's little tabs on the bottom here. If you can see this or not. Little tabs on the bottom here that you got to get into the right kind of location before the blade will slide on. So if you get back here, it's a little bit harder, but you squeeze it up, slide it in, just till you get, there it went. A little bit of force, we're good. Now you got fresh wiper blades. Check out the link below, like, comment, subscribe. Share with your buddies who got Model 3s, and stay tuned for more Model 3 content. Thank you.